Hey friends, we're going to do CVC words today. This is our CVC box because there's a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. You can see already that there's an A and a T for the middle and the end. That means all of our words are going to be at words. The middle sound will be ah, and our end sound will be t every single time. I want to see if you can make, read, and spell CVC words. I want to see how many of them you can come up with. So I'm going to start. What letter could I put there to make a word? At. Oh, cat. K. That's a C. I didn't even have to read this part because I know that AT is going to say at. At. C-A-T. Cat. I just read and spelled the word cat. If you're doing this on your CVC mat too, then you can write the word too. Let's change out that C. How about I know that is F. That's my new beginning sound. Ah. T. Ah is my middle sound. T is my end sound. But I know that all of my words are going to end with at. So, at. Fat. My word is fat. I just read my word. How do I spell fat? F-A-T. I know that A-T is how all of my at words are going to end. When I spell fat, it goes and I know that F says so I put a F right there. Let's do another one. How about that's an S sound. So I'm going to put that S right there. At. At. What's my word? Sat. I put a S sound, and I know that S says S, so I wrote the letter S there. I didn't change these two because at didn't need to change. And I know that when I read at, it says at. My word is sat. I could spell sat, S-A-T. S. That's how I knew to put that S there. At. That's how I knew to leave that the same. Now, what I want you to do, friends, is let's go through the alphabet, just one letter at a time, to see how many at words there actually are. Let me model it for you. I'm going to erase this S. The first letter of the alphabet is A. It says ah, but that won't work because that's a vowel. I can't put a vowel in a consonant space. So I have to go on to the next letter. My next letter is B. B, B, bear. B, B, B. Let's put the B there. B, B, B. Oh, wait a minute. Which direction does he go? I think that his big belly sticks out to this side. Oh, it does. I was right. B, at. B, at. Bat. Is that a word? Yes, it is. There's two different kinds of bats I can think of. There's like a baseball bat where I hit a ball and a bat that flies around and eats fruit like we saw at the zoo. Those are bats too. I spell bat B-A-T. I can read bat B-at. Bat. Bat is a real word. Erase your B. What about C? If I put C there, what word do I make? Oh, that's cat. I did that word earlier, didn't I, Miss Harwood? Yeah, you did. Erase that C. We know that's a real word already. What letter comes after C? D. D. D says D. And its big belly goes out there.
Big belly.
D-at. D-at. Dat. Is dat a word? No, it's not a word. We might use it when we're talking, but it's not a word. We should say that, not dat. And if I was going to say that, it would say T-H-A-T. There's my at. The at. I know the is TH because those are the two letters I need to make the. And there's my at sound. When I am speaking or writing, when I'm trying to say that, I always need to try to use this word, okay? Erase that. What letter comes after D? E. Oh, that's a vowel. But E says eh. But it can't go there because that's a vowel. Consonants have to go there. Let's see. Comes after E. F. F. Let's put that F there. F. At. Oh, I did that one already. Is that a real word?
No.
Yes. Yes, it is. Fat. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Erase your F. Do you feel like you can do this on your own? Do you think you can go through your letters and find all the rest of them?
Yeah.
I think you can too. And remember, if you get stuck, you have this to help you, okay? We've done A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you're on G. G. What does G say? Oh, it has to dangle too. Make sure your G dangles. G, G, G. A-T, A-T says at, G, at. Is that a word?
No.
No, I don't think it is. But I could spell it, G-A-T. And I could read it. That's a good job. Erase that G. Hold on. What letter's going to go next? Cross out that G. What letter's next?
H.
H. H. Put the H in here. H says at. At. What's my word? Hat. Hat. Is hat a real word? Yeah, it is. I sure do like hats. I can wear them on my head. I think lots of you have hats. I can spell hat, H-A-T. I can read hat. When I read the word, I just say the sounds and I smack them together. At. That's a real word. Now, I am going to cross out your H for you. You're going to keep going through the rest of your letters. Can you use I?
Yeah.
No. I is a vowel. You can't put a vowel in the first box. So cross that out. You do the rest of them on your own. Start with J and keep going. If you find a word that's a real word, I want you to write it down. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
For my ABC.
I'll check in with you, and we'll see how you're doing later, all right?